Hi, I'm Jen Wilson, founder of Jen Wilson International. With years of experience leading global teams and coaching top-tier entrepreneurs, I'm here to help you cut through the noise, clear the fog, and bring your vision into life. Leadership branding isn't a nice to have anymore, it's a necessary. In 2025, your leadership brand is either opening doors or they're shutting them down. And here's the truth. The way people perceive you as a leader determines your influence, your opportunities, and your ability to inspire. So today we're going to break down why personal branding matters now more than ever, how storytelling separates the good leaders from the unforgettable ones, and the number one branding mistake seasoned leaders make. So let's get one thing straight. Your leadership brand already exists. The one question is, are you shaping it intentionally, or is it being shaped for you? The digital age has changed everything. People don't just look at resumes anymore. They're going to Google you. They check your LinkedIn, they listen to what others say about you, and they're making decisions about your leadership before you even walk in the room. If you're not actively defining your brand, you're letting perception dictate your reputation. So facts inform, but stories, they influence. The best leaders don't just communicate, they captivate. They use stories to build connection, to make lessons stick, to inspire action. Think about the most impactful leaders in history. What do they all have in common? They weren't just strategic thinkers. They were powerful storytellers. Here's how you integrate storytelling into your leadership brand. First, own your origin story. People connect with why you lead, not just what you do. Next, you want to share lessons, not just wins. Your failures, your pivots, your defining moments. These are the things that make you relatable. Third, make it personal. People follow people, not positions. Let them see the real you. And you know what the biggest mistake is? Thinking that your work alone will speak for itself. Look, competence, doing your job is the baseline. It's expected. But if you're waiting for someone to recognize your value, you're playing a losing game. Because in 2025, the most successful leaders aren't just doing the work, they're positioning themselves as thought leaders. They're speaking on panels, they're sharing insights online, they're mentoring, they're shaping conversations in their industries. And the lesson, your leadership brand isn't just what you do, it's how you communicate and what you communicate. It's how you show up. It's how you share your expertise. And it's how you make an impact beyond your immediate role. Are you ready to elevate your leadership brand? Tap into my leadership vault. It's packed with resources to help you lead, to speak, and to show up powerfully. Whatever it is, take ownership of your brand, because in 2025, leadership isn't just about what you know, it's about how you show up.